Web Application Security Basics. Understanding the OWASP Top 10 web applications power almost everything online, from your bank account to social media, but with great power comes great risk. Welcome to the world of web application security and the OWASP Top 10, the most critical security risks every developer and user should know. What is OWASP? OWASP stands for the Open Web Application Security Project, a community dedicated to improving software security. The OWASP Top 10 is a list of the most common and dangerous security vulnerabilities found in web applications. Let's break down the OWASP Top 10 with simple examples. 1. Injection SQL, NoSQL, command injection. Example: imagine entering your username on a website, but instead of just your name, you type some secret code that tricks the site into revealing all user data. That's an injection attack. 2. Broken authentication. Example: if passwords or session tokens aren't properly protected, hackers can steal them and impersonate users, like stealing someone's ID to enter their account. 3. Sensitive data exposure. You shouldn't be able to see someone else's private files by changing a URL. Broken access control allows exactly that. 6. Security misconfiguration. Example: leaving default passwords, error messages revealing too much info, or unnecessary features enabled. All weak points attackers exploit. 7. Cross-site scripting XSS. Example: an attacker injects malicious scripts into a website comment, which then runs on visitors' browsers, stealing cookies or redirecting users. 8. Insecure deserialization. Example: data sent to the server is manipulated to execute harmful code. 9. Using components with known vulnerabilities. Risk. Example: relying on outdated software libraries that hackers already know how to exploit. 10. Insufficient logging and monitoring. Example: a breach happens but isn't detected because the system doesn't log or alert suspicious activity. Why does this matter? Attackers exploit these weaknesses to steal data, deface websites, or even take control of servers. Knowing these risks helps developers build safer applications and users stay protected. How can you protect yourself and your apps? Use strong input validation. Implement proper authentication and session management. Encrypt sensitive data. Regularly update software and dependencies. Monitor logs and alerts actively. Conduct security testing and code reviews. Quick recap. OWASP Top 10, the most common web app security risks. Learn them to protect your data and your users. Liked this video? Subscribe for more tech tips and security guides that make you smarter online. Practice quiz. 1. What is an injection attack? Answer: manipulating input to execute unintended commands on a system. 2. Why is broken authentication dangerous? Answer: because attackers can impersonate users and access their accounts. 3. What does sensitive data exposure mean? Answer: storing or transmitting sensitive info without proper encryption. 4. How can cross-site scripting XSS affect users? Answer: by injecting malicious scripts that run on visitors' browsers. 5. Why should software components be updated regularly? Answer: to fix known vulnerabilities that hackers might exploit. Lab-based exercises, simulation platforms. 1. OWASP Juice Shop Beginner to Intermediate. https://owasp.org/www Project Juice Shop, https://www.asp.org/www-project-juice-shop/ closing parenthesis purpose. Deliberately vulnerable web app to practice finding and fixing security flaws. 2. Port Swigger Web Security Academy https://portswigger.net/websecurity https://portswigger.net/web-security Interactive labs covering OWASP Top 10 vulnerabilities with guided exercises. 3. DVWA Damn Vulnerable Web Application Purpose. Practice web app security basics in a controlled environment. If you find this helpful, please click the bell icon, share, and subscribe.